Alright guys, we are back for a site visit. The doors, architraves and skirting have been installed. So if you want to come check it out, don't go anywhere. Alright guys, we are here. The doors have been installed. So the first thing I want to start with and show you guys is a hinge door. So at the moment, I'm in the bathroom. You can see the shower there. Toilet's going to go there, and we have a cavity sliding door there. So what I'm going to do when I flip the camera, show you the difference between a hinged door and a cavity sliding door. Alright guys, so let's start with the hinged door. Now, obviously, it speaks for itself when it says it's hinged. So these are the hinges there. You can see this one has 3 hinges on it. 1, 2, 3, and obviously this is a bit of a nice looking feature for the bathroom. Well, what I'll do, I'll show you the sliding door, then I want to talk a little bit about the differences in using them. So as you can see, this one here, guys, is a sliding door, cavity sliding door. You can see it is running on a track up there. So close with that, and then when it opens, just like so. And then we have all the architrave going around the door. And actually no skirting here because the bathroom sort of tiles on the wall. Alright guys, so the big question I get asked a lot, I talk about with people when they're designing custom homes, or any type of home for example, is whether to have a hinge door or to have a cavity sliding door. Now this bathroom obviously has one in each because one goes in, it's a two-way bathroom, so one goes out to the main area and one is for a bedroom. Now, some advantages of both. So, you know, the advantages of having a cavity sliding door, when you open the door, it's inside the cavity, so the door is completely out of your way. As you can see, when you have the hinge door here, the door is going to be somewhere, has to move past something. You can't utilize this space here behind the door. You can't put any power rails, you can't do anything like that. Where over here with the cavity sliding door, you've got more space to use. So that's one main advantage of using a cavity sliding door. And then obviously the other advantage of using a hinge door is you can, the locking purposes of locking a hinge door, you can actually lock it a lot more solid than you can actually, you know, lock a door, cavity sliding door, because it just butts up and it clips in, where you actually have the hinge door that the handles aren't on yet, but we'll cover that on our upcoming site bit, will actually close on itself. So guys, I'd love to know in the comments below, I'll open this up to get a bit of light in here, what you did in your bathroom. As we can hear the guys working away in the background. What did you do in your bathroom? Did you do a cavity sliding door? Did you do a hinge door? Why did you do that sort of stuff? Was it preference? And you know, I'd love to know why you actually did that. Guys, if you know anyone who's unsure about should they use a cavity sliding door or a hinged door in their bathroom, definitely tag them in the comments below so we can watch this video and they can gain the knowledge as well too. Alright guys, I'll see you on next week's site visit. Bye for now.